Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are making a black bean salad dip. You could use it as a dip with chips, or you can just eat it as a salad, whatever you prefer. So we have 2 cups of cooked and washed black beans. I'm gonna toss those in. I have 1 cup of fire roasted corn. This was frozen previously. You can omit this. Typically, we don't do a whole lot of corn at Plant. We don't do any corn at Plant, actually. But since this is just for a video, I thought that most people would probably want that in there. We have 1 red bell pepper diced. I have, a cup of sliced tomatoes. And then I have half of a red onion diced. I have 1 bunch of cilantro. This is a lot of cilantro, but I love cilantro, like truly cannot get enough. So we'll probably use the majority of it, maybe not all of it, just depends on what you guys like. And then this is 2 tablespoons or 2 ounces of fresh lime juice. So I'm just gonna toss that in there, and that's really the only dressing per se. So I'm gonna toss this together. Just kind of well incorporated a little bit. But this is super fresh tasting. It's great to have by the pool, maybe at a cookout, whatever you guys are doing this summer. If you wanted to add, put this on an actual salad, like a leafy green salad, you could do that. You could also use it as a topping on tacos. You could do all sorts of stuff with this. And I am going to go ahead and add more cilantro. Add the rest of that. And then I'm also going to add just a pinch of salt, so probably about half a teaspoon. I'm going to spread that out. Toss this back together. And again, like I said, this would be a great option for, it could be a dip if you want to put some chips with it or some gluten-free crackers. But you could also use this truly as a salad. You could add some avocado and just eat a bowl of it, whatever you want to do. I've done this many different ways. So, I can smell the fresh lime juice. It smells so good. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you're enjoying outside with some friends and family. Be sure to let me know what you think. Comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see in the future. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.